Amazon favorite. This is a digital film scanner which allows you to modify brightness and colors before scanning the photos. It comes with many different adapters for various types of film negatives. You can save the photos onto an SD card or directly onto your computer. It also conveniently comes with an HDMI cable so that you can view the photos on any screen. This smart cutting board system can both dry up the boards and knives and disinfect them. It has 4 knife and cutting board pairs for different purposes. The fish board has a non-slip design. The bread board has a ribbed surface for better grip. The meat board has a large chef knife, and the produce one has a built-in garlic grater.
This is a kitchen sink faucet mat or a silicone splash guard. I have it here in gray. It's perfect for protecting the back of the sink area as the water just drains right off directly into the sink. It has a rapid drying effect. It's perfect for quick drying and storing your sponges.
Here's our Pretty Care self-standing stick vacuum. And I tell you, the entire reason we got this vacuum is because it's doing that. It's standing up on its own. Too many times we just got sick of vacuums that just, you know, you always had to prop it against something or you had to lay it on the floor. Like, this is just like boom, and then you start using it. Like, again, that is the whole reason why we got it. It's a stick vacuum. They all work, right? They're not, there's no one that's better than the other. But for the sole reason of just how flexible it is and just how easy it is to use, and it has not let us down. It's very reliable. So, highly recommend. Here's our 9 stars automatic sensor trash can. I mean, this is a game changer. Let me just tell you, this is an absolute game changer. Boom, opens up, right? Total game changer, and closes itself. It's like having a personal butler, right? We've had this for a year and a half. It has not broken down on us. It looks chic. It's not an eyesore for a trash can, and just, it's so simple to use, right? That's what we want. We want something that's reliable, easy to use, and is going to close itself. So for all those reasons, we highly recommend.
Hey there, it's Scott. Just wanted to show you this electronic door lock that we got and installed on the house. Just moved in not too long ago and wanted to get the locks replaced. We like to travel, so we decided we needed something to be able to let people in and out of the house easy so they can help take care of our pets. And so we went with this. It was very easy to install. If you've ever installed any lock, it just installs the same way. Take off your old one, put on your front, attach your back, and then underneath this panel right here are the screws that go through to secures all that.
I use this headband every night to sleep in. I actually pull it down over my eyes to connect to my phone. My husband can't stand the TV on. I can't sleep without it. This is the compromise. It has the 2 earbuds here, so when they're up over your forehead where they're supposed to be or down over your eyes, I can still hear. It's not uncomfortable to sleep in. It's actually really great and perfect. The fact that it's all stitched together, it doesn't stretch out. I can use it with a heatless curler, or I can leave it without it and it's still fine.
Today I'll be reviewing a wall outlet extender with shelf and night light. This makes a perfect addition to any room in the house with 3-prong outlets. I especially like the idea of this for a bedroom, a bathroom, or a dorm room. The outlet extender features 5 AC outlets, 3 USB ports, and 1 USB-C port. And the night light stays on for dusk to dawn and is great for nighttime visits to the bathroom. The shelf is easy to assemble with 2 tabs that easily slide into the top of the outlet extender. The shelf has holes and notches for easy cable management, and it's great for all of your Amazon devices. It keeps them up and away and off the countertops. I would recommend this for family and friends.
I just got the Joy Jolt glass food storage containers. There are different sizes. There's 12 of them in the box. came very well packaged. I have a sample up here of one of the smaller ones, and this would be good for just a small portion of leftovers. Let's see what else I have in this box. Oh wow, here's one that's round. See that? Nice size. I can see myself putting blueberries or strawberries in there. Then I have a square size, rather small, which I do like to have some small ones. There's more in this big box. Oh my. Here's another size. Round. And then I have more rounds, around and around. I am just really absolutely amazed at these storage containers. I love the fact that they're airtight. They clip and unclip easily. All 4 clips are great. So just wanted to share with you how much I like it.
With 3 dogs in my house, I knew I needed an air purifier, so I decided to give this one from Muka a try. I really liked that it was small and compact, but yet still covered 1,250 square feet. The controls on the top are really easy to use and super intuitive. Once you turn on the air purifier, you can easily choose from a number of settings. You can set how long you would like to have it on, and you can set the different fan speeds. There's 4 different fan speeds. You can also adjust whether you want the light on or off. So far, I am really happy with this air purifier purchase. This Parsoniver watch was the perfect starter watch for me. It's got a nice silicone band and I could customize the watch face. Not only can I send and receive calls, I can also get my text messages and notifications from my favorite apps. It can count your steps, take your blood pressure, and it even has the weather. The watch itself was so easy to set up. All I had to do was download their app and it walked me right through the whole process. Using the watch was really intuitive. You just swipe left, right, or up and it shows you all the different options you have. I really think this watch is a great value at this price point. I absolutely love these solar-powered garden lights. They have this cool diamond-shaped cutouts at the top. What that does is it makes the lights project onto the ground or onto your sidewalk in this star-shaped pattern that you see there. They were so easy to put together, and then all I had to do was put the stake directly in the yard. As you can see, it gives a really nice light. It's not super bright, but I love the ambiance it gives my sidewalk at night. All in all, I am really happy with my purchase.
The Brita Metro Pitcher. This eliminates a lot of empty plastic water bottles around our house. It arrives packaged well with a little bit of assembly required. This is the replaceable filter. It has to be rinsed for 15 seconds before use. It has a convenient indicator light. The pitcher is easy to fill and filters water quickly. The pitcher itself fits in the refrigerator nicely and pours very smoothly.
Alright, so live action wise cam pan. So I'm going to show you how great this thing detects motion. See, it is following me. And it is also notifying my phone right now. Now it's moving down because I'm down here. Let's see if I move back. See? Lifts. Move over here. This thing is on point. This thing moves and watches every move that is made in the front of my house. I love this camera, and I love the app and how it notifies you.
All right, so we got a QB for home. This is a very low impact exercise machine that you can use just when you're sitting, you're watching TV, you're playing on your phone. But it's really good if you're not someone who's into running or biking. It's basically an elliptical, but you get to sit while you're on it. You can turn the little knob to increase or decrease the resistance to give yourself a different kind of workout. This is also connected to your phone. There's an app on your phone you can get for this, and it kind of records your workout so you can see how you're doing throughout the week, if you need to increase on the resistance or not. But we really love it because you can just sit and watch TV and exercise at the same time.